Hi class, I'm going to walk you through some of the things that we need to do for getting access to our visible body accounts. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you, let me refresh this. Is this quick video that I put on Canvas that'll show you how to set up your account. Essentially what you're going to do is you're going to go over to Canvas to this tab, Visible Body Courseware, and you're going to follow a couple of steps to just sign up for your account. It's nothing that you have to pay for. It's already set up through Pasadena City College. What you're going to do once you're in your Visible Body account is you're going to click on the week 1 assignment and then go through these different modules. So it'll take you to an outside source. Wait, as it's loading. And what's cool about Visible Body is you can manipulate a bunch of the things that are going to pop up. They're going to be different animations. So this is an animation of the cell. You're going to be able to walk through and use as our interactive portion of lab for this semester. Okay, so once you go through all of these, either animations, illustrations, or 3D models, then you can move on to the actual assignment. So if you go to modules, let me set this up. Actually, this is set up. Let me set this up so it's in student view. If you go to modules, you go down to Unit 1. We're still in Unit 1. At the very bottom, we've got a lab column. Well, one, we're going to have an identification list. Okay, so these are the things that you need to identify within this first lab. Okay, some of this cell cycle stuff we haven't gone over in lecture yet, but there are animations and models for you to work with in the lab exercise. And then here's what you get credit for this week, for your lab. Okay, so this is a visible body assignment for week number 1, all about cells. It's in a quiz format. You're going to get 3 attempts, and your highest score is going to be counted. Okay, and this is what it's going to look like. It's an identification of structures. So you just input text for whatever the structure that's being highlighted is, and that's going to be your submission for this quiz. So while I think it's valuable to try to do those quizzes without the aid of Visible Body, you can still have the Visible Body tab open as you're working through the quizzes. Okay? It's good to test yourself on that information without help, because that's what's going to be asked of you during the practical. Okay? And that's what we're all building up to, is being able to do well on the practical exam, which is going to come at the end of unit number 1. Okay? If you have any questions on this, feel free to email me, but I hope that added a little bit of clarity to what's expected of you for the labs. Okay? Thank you.